Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have OPPO Reno15 Pro device. In this video, let's fix Wi-Fi connection dropping on this device. So, this involves forgetting the network, then restarting devices and resetting network settings. So, first of all, let's open settings and let's go to Wi-Fi section. Now tap the information icon next to your network, like this, and then if you scroll, not if you scroll, so here you can see this trash bin next to forgot button. Let's tap it and let's tap remove button. So now you have to restart your OPPO phone and your Wi-Fi router. In order to restart your phone, you want to press and hold your power button like this, and let's select restart option. So this will take a few minutes, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, and the same you have to do with your router. So go to your router and restart it. Now let's go back to settings and let's go to Wi-Fi, and you have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Let's tap OK. And now your Wi-Fi should work. But if the issue still persists, then you have to reset network settings. To do that, let's go back to homepage of settings and scroll down to system and update. Now select backup and reset. Select reset phone, and at the top you will see reset network and Bluetooth settings. Now you want to enter your lock screen password and then confirm that you really want to perform a resetting of network settings. And after you do that, please keep in mind that you have to re-enter your Wi-Fi password and also to reconnect to all your Bluetooth devices, because resetting network and Bluetooth settings erases all passwords and devices from your phone. So that is basically it. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.